Welcome to PTT Genix. So in today's video, we are going to create a similar motion graphic. Okay, so let's first of all add some background color. Let's go to the format background option and let's give a sky blue color. All right. Now in the next option, we are going to insert this rectangle shape. Okay, here we are going to insert this rectangle. Now in the edit shape option, we'll edit some points and let's give some point over here and let's shift it a little bit upwards. Now press the right mouse button and smooth points we are going to add. Okay, and let's adjust it a little bit upwards. So shape outline is going to be no outline and the shape fill is going to be this dark green color. Alright, now let's again insert this rectangle. So here I am going to insert a tree. Now let's insert some circles. Press Ctrl D, Ctrl D. Like this, we are going to insert some random places, some circles. Okay, now we are going to select all these circles and in the shape format, select merge shapes, select union and let's shift it a little bit away and let's give it green color and shape outline to be no outline. And for this rectangle, shape outline to be no outline and shape fill is going to be the dark brown color. So this is the basic structure of a tree. So you can place these trees at random places. Fine. Now we are going to insert some buildings. We are going to create some buildings. For that, let's insert this rectangle and let's shift it over here. Let's give it some outline to be the no outline and the shape fill is going to be this color. Alright, and inside this rectangle we are going to insert some windows. Okay, so for that let's zoom in a little bit. Shape outline to be no outline and shape color to be the gray color. Press Ctrl D to make the exact copy. Select both these windows, press Ctrl D and bring them downwards. Now select all these 4 windows together, press Ctrl D. Again press Ctrl D, again press Ctrl D. Now we are going to select one window, press Ctrl D and let's bring it here and let's increase its size like this. So this is the way we can create a building. So now let's just copy all the elements by pressing Ctrl D. Okay, and let's place it over here. Now let's change some color. So for this, we'll give some gray color. So shape fill is going to be this light gray color. And here let's give it some pink color maybe. Light pink color. Alright. Now again we are going to insert more buildings. So of different shapes maybe. Now this can be of white color, so shape outline to be no outline and shape color is going to be the white color. Let's insert some windows which are black in color. Press Ctrl D to make the All right, now in the next step, I'm going to press the Ctrl A to select all the shapes and press Ctrl G to group everything. Now I'm going to press the Ctrl D to make the exact copy, and let's bring it towards the right hand side of the slide. And in this part, we can just insert more buildings if we want. Shape outline to be no outline, maybe this color. All right, and just add some windows. Now again, we are going to press the Ctrl A to select everything. And now I'm going to press the Ctrl G. All right, now let's give some animation. So let's go to the animation tab. And in the drop down menu, let's go down and select the line path. And in the effect option, instead of going downwards, let's select left side. All right, and in the right handle, we are going to adjust the right handle over here. And let's shift the right handle, red handle towards the left hand side, like this. Alright, now I'll just insert some 3D elements. So let's go to the 3D models, and here let's just search word. Okay, select any word which you want. Okay. So I'll just select this one. A little smaller. And let's turn it to this side. Okay. So now we'll go to the animation pane, and for this bird we are going to add animation. And add animation is going to be this line path only, okay, but towards the right hand side. And let's adjust this red handle. Let's take it till here. All right, now let's open the animation pane, and in the animation pane, let's select all the animations and start with groups. Okay. Now this group 231, for this, the duration is going to be 20 seconds. And for this 3D model, the duration is going to be 30 seconds. Okay, so now let's have a final preview for the same. So like this.